How's it going, wealth builders? This is your king, and you're tuned in to Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, we will be venturing into a fascinating topic that is taking the financial world by storm: Bitcoin. Wealth builders, as it's popular to continues to soar and its price keeps climbing, many are left wondering, how does this cryptocurrency work? Well, fear not, because your king is here to break it down for you. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first topic that we will discuss for you to understand how Bitcoin works is the revolutionary blockchain technology. Wealth builders, imagine a decentralized system where every transaction is recorded and verified by a network of computers. This is the blockchain, a distributed ledger ensuring transparency and security. It's like a digital, incorruptible record book that is constantly being updated. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's delve deeper into how this blockchain operates. Imagine each block in the chain as a container for multiple transactions. Once a block is filled, it is sealed and connected to the previous one, forming an unbroken chain of transaction history. This not only makes altering past transactions nearly impossible, but also ensures that everyone in the network has the same information. So, it's a bit like a digital democracy keeping everyone in check. The interconnected nature of these blocks create a robust and tamper-resistant structure, and I'll tell you this, it establishes trust among users. The blockchain is basically the backbone of Bitcoin, providing the trust and security needed for a decentralized currency to thrive. No central authority controls it, making it resistant to censorship or manipulation. Every participant on the network has a copy of the blockchain, creating a shared reality. This transparency and decentralization make it a powerful tool for financial transactions, as it eliminates the need for intermediaries and fosters a trustless system. Now, let's dive into the second crucial aspect of understanding how Bitcoin works: the digital currency and wallets that make it all happen. Your king wants you to picture Bitcoin as the cash of the internet, absent of tangible coins or bills. Instead, it operates through digital codes and transactions conducted in the vast online space. To navigate this digital financial frontier, you need a digital wallet. These wallets come in various forms, existing either online as applications or websites, or offline through hardware devices. Wealth builders, within your wallet resides a private key, a secret code granting you access to your Bitcoin holdings. Consider it your virtual safe, emphasizing the importance of safeguarding it in the dynamic realm of cryptocurrency. Whether your wallet is perched in the cloud or resides on a physical device, it serves as your portal to the intriguing universe of Bitcoin. But remember this advice from your king. It's not just about possessing Bitcoin. It's about navigating the digital avenues securely with your trusty digital wallet as the guiding compass. With that being said, I want you to choose the right wallet that gains your trust. The next topic in understanding how Bitcoin works delves into the fascinating realm of mining and verification. Picture it as high-stakes race where formidable computers race to solve intricate mathematical puzzles, not just for bragging rights, but to authenticate transactions. This process, wealth builders, aptly called mining, goes beyond mere verification. It serves as one of the pillars of the entire Bitcoin network. In essence, miners act as guardians, ensuring the trustworthiness of the blockchain. As a way of showing appreciation for their computational skills, miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. This not only introduces new coins into circulation, but also motivates miners to maintain a strong Bitcoin network. You can think of mining as the reliable engine that drives the smooth functioning of the Bitcoin system. So, if you are skilled at solving mathematical problems, this mining activity might be just right for you. Alright, this time, let's talk about how Bitcoin empowers peer-to-peer transactions, eliminating the need for middlemen like banks. Wealth builders, imagine sending money directly from one person to another anywhere in the world, without the delays and fees associated with traditional banking systems. Hassle-free, right? Well, that's the beauty of peer-to-peer transactions with Bitcoin. You see, in the world of Bitcoin, individuals can engage in direct transactions. As your king said earlier, this is facilitated by the decentralized nature of the blockchain. Not only does this boost speed and efficiency, but it also cuts down on costs, making cross-border transactions more accessible to everyone. It's like having a global currency that transcends borders and operates on a level playing field. Wealth builders, peer-to-peer transactions with Bitcoin exemplify a financial evolution where the power shifts from centralized authorities to the people. This direct exchange capability fosters financial inclusivity, allowing individuals to seamlessly send and receive funds without geographic limitations. It's a game changer that simplifies the way we engage in transactions, offering a glimpse into a future where financial interactions are more direct, swift, and universally accessible. Now, the last essential topic that your king thinks would be beneficial for you to know is the limited supply of Bitcoin and the occurrence of halving events. Picture this. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. That's it. 21 million Bitcoins. And this scarcity is built into the system, making Bitcoin a finite and valuable asset. Well, you see, in the fascinating world of Bitcoin, its limited supply is a defining characteristic that sets it apart. Imagine a digital currency designed to be scarce, similar to precious metals like gold. The cap of 21 million Bitcoins establishes a sense of rarity, enhancing its appeal as a store of value. It's like owning a piece of the future, where scarcity plays a crucial role in determining the worth of this decentralized currency. But to further control the supply and ensure its predictability, Bitcoin undergoes halving events approximately every 4 years. During these events, the rewards for mining new Bitcoins are halved. It's like a built-in mechanism to manage inflation and keep the currency's value stable over time. So, if you've ever wondered why Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, its scarcity and controlled supply are key reasons. Understanding these dynamics adds a layer of depth to the marvel that is Bitcoin, as its value is driven not only by utility, but also by the scarcity meticulously woven into its digital fabric. Alright, with all these insights from the first to the last, we have covered the essential aspects of how Bitcoin works. Now, wealth builders, before we wrap up, let's tackle an interesting question about the topic. How do you think the increasing popularity of Bitcoin will impact traditional financial systems in the long run? Share your thoughts in the comments below and spark a conversation with your fellow financial dreamers about the future of money. I'll be waiting. So, there you have it, wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here loves that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.